It is important that we all document our future health wishes within an advanced care plan. An advanced care plan can be updated at any stage of our lives, but by documenting your wishes now, you may help ensure that your wishes are adhered to should something happen to you. If you require further assistance, the ACP Help section provides support and acts as a hub linking through to a number of other external resources. The activity feed logs all of the changes that you've made to your advanced care plan and can be reviewed with previous versions not being editable. Once downloaded, we recommend that you print your advanced care plan, and you may wish to also email it to a number of healthcare professionals, friends and family members to ensure that they know your wishes. And finally, each advanced care plan is time-stamped so you can see when the document was last edited.